Hey, PrimeMyBody Japan, it's JT, Imani, and Dara. We're excited to be here with you today. Just got off a week's worth of trips through Tokyo, Okinawa, Osaka, stops in different places around there. Packed houses, people excited. The product's been received in such a huge way. The compensation plan everybody loves. Jan is here now, so 4,
20.
Brand new, 4, get your 20 immediately, and the compensation plan so you can get paid within our business model. Japan is an exciting country to be in, and I can tell you right now, traveling in and out of this market for the last 15 years, I have never experienced anything like this. The culture, the community, the management team, Kaz Takara, his whole staff, the rolling out of the red carpet for us has been absolutely phenomenal. For me personally, it's great to be back here. The kindness, the humbleness, the respect that's in this country, and what hemp means. We're not just bringing network marketing to Japan, but bringing hemp and network marketing back into a country that has had this away now for over 100 years, much like the United States of America. We're excited to be here, and things are absolutely exploding. What do you think, ladies?
We are seeding the revolution. This is an incredible explosion that's happening in Japan. Every city that we went to, full houses, hearts are open, smiling faces, and people are ready to receive this. This is going to change lives in so many different ways with the power of the plant, the power of the compensation plan, and I think everybody is receiving both so well. So we're excited to be here. We're excited to support our Japan teams. Thank you, Kaz, for doing such an incredible job. Full house in Tokyo, full house in Osaka. We are just thrilled.
Absolutely.
Dara, what you think?
Hey everybody, I want to clarify something. We found out finally how to pronounce Kaz's name, and it's actually Takara. So you say Kaz Takara. So we're going to all start saying his name correctly, and I think that's going to make him really
Kaz
happy.
Takara.
Even though he would never complain.
You know how JT is with names.
It's been incredible to be here. I was here last November, so it's been almost a full year for me. And the importance of connecting with people. We can use Zoom and other technologies to connect with people, but if you really have something growing, plug in with your people. Imani did one extra trip. She came back last spring, and I debated coming with her, but it was too much at that time for my family. I wish I had. I can see the difference in her team and how they've grown since that 2-week trip that she did here. We need to get with our people. We need to have face-to-face. We need to build those relationships, even if it takes longer because we're using translators. It is so worth it.
Yeah.
It does take longer, and
It does take longer.
we definitely, there's
It's
been
worth it.
people signing up for 15 packs after these meetings, getting it. Brand new people, mothers,
Yeah.
professional network marketers are seeing this and they're like, I can be a founder. I can enroll right now and
That's right.
enroll.
Founders extended to the end of the
Jan.
year.
I can enroll Jan 4 people and double my income. They're kind of blown away, and everybody is super fired up, whether they're brand new or whether they're reigniting their business. So
And leverage us because we're going to be coming back. JT and I will be back in 6 weeks, and Paul's going to be
Paul's
here.
here next month with Austin.
Austin's coming
Austin's
back.
coming in maybe 4
We're going to
weeks.
be here, and we're here to support the teams. We want to see the amazing success here in Japan like we have in the U.S.
And we have we have a new part of our corporate team now who's like the youngest, most passionate, positive, happy vibe kind of guy that I know is going to be amazing for Kaz and all of us. So that's really, really exciting too.
We just want to say, domo,
Arigato
arigato.
gozaimasu.
All right, it's happening.
Yes!